Hello students, class 12. This session is for you and today we will discuss about the chapter tangent and normal. This is application of derivative and listen, application of derivative tangent normal already started. This chapter already started. Today you will get the videos on 4 marks questions. Okay, and few special sums from 2 marks questions also. Now tangent and normal, exercise 14, sum number 2. I'm not going to explain the chapter again because it is already explained. And chapter started also. According to your request, I am going to make this video for 4 marks questions at first. Then few sums on 2 marks questions also you will get. Don't worry. Now sum number 2, question is, find a point on the parabola x square minus 6x plus 9 where the tangent is parallel to the line joining the points 4, 1 and 3, 0. Joining the points 4, 1 and 3, 0. Okay, so what we will do at first? At first, find the derivative of the given parabola. That means divide dx equals to 2x minus 6. Divide dx is equal to 2x minus 6. Now, equation of the straight line joining the 2 points 4, 1 and 3, 0. What is the equation of the straight line joining 2 points? We know this formula. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 by y1 minus y equals to x2 minus x1 by x1 minus x. We will follow this formula. Then we will find out the equation of a straight line joining these 2 points. Okay. Then y2 minus y1. Then what we will do? 0 minus 1 divided by 1 minus y is equal to x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 4 by 4 minus x. Okay, find this equation. So it's coming minus 1 by 1 minus y is equal to 3 minus 4 by 4 minus x. Minus 1 will be cancelled from both the sides, numerator. So what we will get? 4 minus x equals to 1 minus y. So 4 minus x minus 1. Take these terms to the left hand side. So 4 minus x minus 1 plus y equals to 0. So minus x plus y plus 3 equals to 0. So what we will get? X minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. So or we can write y is equal to x minus 3. So y is equal to mx plus 3. This is the standard equation of a straight line we know. Y is equal to mx plus c. Then m is the slope of the equation. M is the slope of the equation. So here what is the slope of the equation? Slope of this equation, then since here m only x is there, so m value of m will be 1. So slope of this line is 1. And what is the given? Tangent and this line. Tangent and this line, these two lines are parallel. Okay, when two lines are parallel, we know then when two lines are parallel, in that case always slope of two lines should be equal. Slope of two lines should be equal. That means now divide dx is equal to 2x minus 6. Already we have got, this is the slope of the tangent. So tangent slope and the line slope, these two lines should be equal. Why? Because according to the question, tangent is parallel to this line. Tangent is parallel to this line. So when tangent is parallel to this line, so can we write now 2x minus 6 is equal to 1. So 2x equals to 7. 1 plus 6, so it's coming 7. So x is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, now put the value of x in the given equation. Then only we will get the value. Y is equal to 7 by 2 whole square minus 6x plus 9 equals to 1 by 4. Okay, so the point will be 7 by 2, 1 by 4. If you want, you can put the value of x in this equation also. That is 7 by 2 minus 3. 7 by 2 minus 3. So that is 7 by 2 minus 3 means what? 2 LCM 7 minus 6. So that is also 1 by. This is coming 7 by 2 minus 1. No. Put the value of x is equal to, so y is equal, x is equal to 7 by 2 in the given equation. Then only we'll get the value of y. Y is equal to 1 by 4. The point is 7 by 2, 1 by 4. 7 by 2, 1 by 4. This is the question. Find a point on the parabola. So this is the point on the parabola. This where the tangent is parallel to the line joining the points 4, 1 and 3, 0. Done? Okay. Next sum. Let me rub the board. Next sum number 13. Find the equation of the tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square at the point a cos theta, at the point a cos theta, comma a sin theta. A cos theta, comma a sin theta. Hence, show that the line y is equal to x plus a root 2. Show that the line y is equal to x plus a root 2. Hence, show that the line y is equal to x plus a root 2 touches the given circle. That means this will be the tangent. Find the coordinates of the point of contact. Where to find the coordinate of the point of contact. So from the given equation, this is the find the equation of the tangent to the circle. This is the circle. So at first we have to find the derivative of this equation. So what we will get? 2x plus 2y dy dx is equal to 0. Therefore, dy dx is equal to minus 2x by 2y. So it's coming minus x by y. So dy dx is equal to minus x by y. So the point given as a cos theta, a sin theta. So dy dx, therefore dy dx at a cos theta, a sin theta. A is cos theta, so it's coming minus a cos theta by a sin theta. A cancel, so we will get minus cot theta. Okay, minus cos theta by sin theta, so it will be minus cot theta. Okay, now equation of the tangent at a cos theta, a sin theta to the circle. Therefore, equation of the tangent now many times we write as TGT. So remember this equation of the tangent at a cos theta, a sin theta. Equation of the tangent at a cos theta, a sin theta to the circle. To the circle what? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Is what? Same formula, y minus y1. y1 means a sin theta. Already I have said tangent is nothing but a straight line. That is, at a point means the tangent, a straight line which passes through one point with the slope m. Then equation is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. That already you have done in class 11. Already I have explained that. So y minus a sin theta is equals to m into x minus x1. M into means, so we can write as this minus cos theta by sin theta into x minus x1 means x minus a cos theta. Done. Okay, now do this cross multiplication. Then what we will get? Y sin theta minus a sin square theta, and it's coming x cos theta minus plus a cos square theta. Okay, so y sin theta and this x cos theta, let take this term to the left hand side. So x cos theta, it's coming y sin theta is equal to, take this minus a sin square theta to the right hand side. Then what we will get? A sin square theta plus a cos square theta. Okay, now take common a, then we will get sin square theta plus cos square theta. So it's coming only a, as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, therefore the equation is x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to a. This is the required equation of the tangent. Okay, now hence show that the line y is equal to x plus a root 2 touches the given circle. Okay, for the line y is equal to x plus a root 2, the line is, let me rub the previous part. The line y is equal to x plus a root 2, let me explain from here. So here m is equal to 1, here m is equal to 1. If it touches the circle, that means, therefore that means dy dx is equals to 1. Divide dx is equals to 1. If it touches the circle, then divide dx, m is equal to 1 here. Here m is equal to 1. So divide dx is equal to 1. When divide dx is equal to 1, already we have got divide dx is equal to minus x by y. So can we write now minus x by y is equal to 1. So this is coming x is equal to minus y. X is equal to minus y. Now the original equation already given x square plus y square equal to a square. Put x square plus y square. X square we can write as y square plus y square is equal to a square. So 2y square equal to a square. Therefore, y is equal to plus minus a by root 2. This is the point y, and therefore x is equal to minus a by root 2. Then what is the value of x? Put the value of y here, we will get the value of x. X is equal to minus a by root 2. Then what is the point? The point of contact will be there, minus a by root 2 comma a by root 2. This will be the answer. Minus a by root 2, a by root 2. This is the answer. Next sum coming with new video.